always have at least one guest. When the villagers learned there was a witch amongst their people, it didn't take them long to hunt her down. That very night they were prepared to burn her as they tied her to the post. She spat curses at them that they would all die and their families would forever be cursed with famine and disease. This outraged the villagers even more as they yelled for her to be quiet and say no more. They advanced on her with their torches, all were ready to be rid of her for good.